understands what does firming up mean?
Yeah, great question. So instead of imagine it like water. So you've got this water hose and it's just spewing out water, and you have no ability to control when it turns on or when it turns off. And so it's just constantly flowing all over the place. This would be a solar array by itself. As soon as you take that water hose and you start having it go into a giant container of water, and then you can have it something that uses that water on the output side when it's needed, then you've basically transformed that source of water into something that's really usable and can be drank, become part of a resource for society. So the word firming up refers to the fact that the solar goes from being erratic and even volatile to being completely harnessed and harmonized with grid operation and directed towards when people actually need a drink. You need a drink of water, you need a drink of solar, but you only want to drink it when you need it. And that's called firming up the solar, also firming up the grid.